Hey guys, welcome to Droid Hunter. This is our new AC of my office, and today I'm gonna show you how to use MI remote for AC to control it easily. Let's go on. Here is my Xiaomi phone Mi8 AC. At first, you need to go Tools folder and open the MI remote app. Then click the Add Remote button. Here you see the all available devices which you can control by MI remote. I want to control AC, so that I am click on the AC option. Then you need to select your air conditioner's brand. My brand is Chigo. Select Chigo. Here you see a blue power button. Now click the power button. If your AC responds, click the confirmation button yes. Then click the paired option. Done. Your remote setup completed. Here you see the AC is running. Now I will show you the live controlling. You need to hold the mobile in front of the AC. That side of the mobile have air blaster sensor. From the on off, there are all the functions of your AC that you can control through your mobile phone. Here you see a new shortcut has been created by MI remote called Chigo AC, because my AC brand is Chigo. So guys, thanks for watching. Like this video. If you have any questions, please comment below and don't forget to subscribe.